Let's talk about a piece of technology you use every single day, probably without even thinking about it. It's kind of the silent hero of search bars everywhere. It's the reason your tiny little mistakes don't lead to huge frustrations. We're talking about fuzzy search. You know the feeling, right? You're typing fast, you're trying to find a product or an article or just some random piece of info. Your fingers slip, you hit the wrong key, and you just slam that enter button without a second thought. And then, bam, no results found. That split second of confusion before you look up, see what you typed, and realize you made a simple, tiny typo. It's such a common and honestly a really frustrating experience. So, that struggle, that dead end you hit from just one misplaced letter, well, that is exactly the problem that a very, very clever kind of technology was designed to solve. Because, let's be honest, in a perfect world, search engines should understand what we mean, not just what we literally type. I mean, think about it. When you're shopping online and you type sweatshirt, you almost always get a page full of sweatshirts. The system just kind of gets it. And that's not magic. It's totally by design. So how in the world does it actually work?
Well, the technology behind all this is called fuzzy search. And the name itself gives you a pretty big hint. It's a search that isn't strict. It's not sharp or exact. It's a little bit fuzzy.
And that's really the crucial point here. Instead of a system that demands absolute perfection from you, fuzzy search works on approximation. It's literally programmed to find results that are close enough to your query. It forgives those small errors that are just, a natural part of being human. This right here shows the difference perfectly. A simple, literal search for apple just hits a brick wall, no matches. But with fuzzy search, boom, the system correctly guesses you meant apple and even shows you related terms. See, it's designed to understand your intent, not just your exact keyboard input. A great way to really get this is to think of a fishing metaphor. A traditional exact search is kind of like fishing with a spear. You have to be incredibly precise to catch that one specific fish you're aiming for. Fuzzy search, on the other hand, works more like a net. And this wider net is the whole key. It doesn't just look for an exact match, it scoops up anything that's similar, which dramatically increases your chances of finding what you actually want. So what exactly does this net catch? Well, it's programmed to look for words with what's called a small edit distance, which is really just a fancy way of saying only one or two letters are different. This is how it catches typos, like our apple example, but it also handles plurals, different spelling variations, and even abbreviations. It's incredibly versatile. Now, all of this might seem like a small technical detail, but its impact is huge. It fundamentally changes the user experience, making technology more forgiving, more intuitive, and frankly, just a whole lot more useful. Just take a real-world shopping trip. You make that sweatshirt typo. Without fuzzy search, the site says no results, and you probably just leave. But with it, the site understands what you meant, shows you the correct items, and you end up making a purchase. For a business, that's literally the difference between a lost sale and a happy customer. And its value goes way, way beyond online shopping. Think about those huge company databases where data was entered by hundreds of different people over decades. You know it's going to be full of inconsistencies. Fuzzy search is what makes all that messy data usable. It's essential anywhere that perfect, clean data just isn't a reality. So when you put it all together, you realize that fuzzy search represents a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology. It's a move away from those rigid, command-based systems to something much more fluid and, understanding. And that's really the core takeaway here. For decades, we had to learn the precise language of computers. Now, with technologies like fuzzy search, computers are finally learning to understand the beautifully imprecise language of humans. It bends to us, not the other way around.